everyone, it's We here at Granger Seafood in Maurice, Louisiana. My husband and I has been commercial fishing, shrimping on the waters of Vermilion Bay and a little bit in the Gulf for right at 30 years now. Albert pretty much lives his life on the boat. He brings in fresh catches, whatever it may be. We sell it fresh here during the season, which is usually from May until November or December on the fresh catch. We also sell fish if he catches it, or crabs, whatever he catches. But during the year, my husband built me this processing facility. It's small. It's a mom and pop sort of operation with a huge walk-in freezer. So we can process our own stuff here. We have branded ourselves as Granger Seafood. If you can see here, this is a picture of our boat. This is a box that the 5-pounders go in. They will this year ship out all over the world. The name of our boat is Miss Brittany G. She is named after our daughter Brittany, and we have a son Albert Jr. that has gotten into the shrimping industry also. So we've been doing it a long time. We are reputable. We love having new customers. You can find us on Facebook. You can also find us on GrangerSeafood.com, and go check out a couple of our YouTube channels that we have also there. We have a wonderful family team and working together with us to help us advertise and just grow in this little business that we love, because you know, people, it's all about no imports and eating local, eating fresh, eating just eating good seafood without so many chemicals that come from wherever. You can buy seafood anywhere, folks, but I want to believe that we are the best of the best. We do things by hand here. We take time with our products. We take time with our customers. We love our customers, and we wouldn't be here without you. So you, like I said, you can reach us on the internet. You can call us Granger Seafood. So just look us up. We're in Maurice, Louisiana, and we hope that you come by this year, and we can definitely do business, and you will love your product when you get home. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Looking forward to seeing y'all, folks. Thanks.